Ayan. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Alam kong napaka-busy po ninyong lahat. No? Kung kami po ay busy, mas busy po kayo. Hindi na po ako magpapakahaba pa. Thank you. Biro lang po. Well, this is not about us. This is not about my brother, our boss here. This is about the Lord. So this is the calling na parang encouragement. This is not about business. This is not about products. Yes, partly andun po yun. But we are all here just to encourage one another. Sa panahon ngayon na napakabilis ng buhay, napaka-unhealthy lifestyle natin lahat, ang dami nating kaibigan, kakilala, even kamag-anak, na pabilis ng pabilis at pakunti ng pakunti ang buhay at kalakasan ng katawan. So siguro walang ibang dahilan dyan, kung hindi yung galaw natin, kung paano tayo nagtatrabaho, kung anong klaseng lifestyle tayo. So you versus you is the start of, something. It's a decision. It's a choice for us na labanan yung konting pagkabisi at yung konting katamaran natin. Hindi lang tumakbo, kahit maglakad lang, kahit kumain ng tama. It's true that the best project that we can work on is ourselves. So, good afternoon and thank you po.
Alright, thank you very much, Berwin. Actually, totoo yan. Sa office namin, hindi ko alam kung sinadya ni Sir Mike ipasara yung elevator. 6th floor kami, wala na kami elevator. So we have to literally walk upstairs to reach our office. So doon pa lang, simulan lang you versus you.
Tomorrow, okay na raw.
Tomorrow ba? Parang pinasara mo yata, Sir Mike eh. Alright, of course, to formally welcome everyone, our host for this afternoon, our president of 88 Ace Production, and the chairman of Maranan Group of Companies. Everyone please welcome Dr. Michael Maranan.
Ayun, thank you everyone. Thank you for giving us this time, this opportunity. Ako naman, siguro, ang dami kasing nag-aagawan ng attention ngayon sa atin. Ang dami rin, sabi nga, maraming external factor. Pag nag-check ka ng ating social media, nakikita nyo, may mga gulo sa Middle East or saan man. Merong mga bagay tayo na hindi control. Pero may mga bagay tayo na control natin, which is our body. Kung ano yung nilalagay natin sa mouth natin at kung anong ginagawa natin, perspiration, so sa atin yun. So, literally, it's you versus you talaga. Kung ano yung commitment mo, sabi nga, it's motivation is nothing. It's always discipline and commitment. So, ang nakikita ko lang, 3 tao lang, 3 grupo lang yung gusto ko namin imbitahan dito. If you're ultramarathoner, sobrang galing mo na dito, please, welcome ka, turuan mo naman kami, turuan mo yung mga iba nating mga kasama. Then of course, kung nandun ka sa tulad ko na weekend warrior, please, eto na yung pagkakataon natin, ilabas pa natin yung gusto nating papawis. And lastly, kung ikaw yung newbie na gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng start, something na pwedeng welcoming or safe space, eto yun, safe na safe yung space natin sa Vermosa, Ayala yan, and of course, nandito naman yung mga tamang tao, tamang team. At don't worry, walang judgment dito. Kung 5K yan at pang 1K lang yan, okay na rin yan. Ang mahalaga, you start something. You overcome yourself. Yun lang po, and good afternoon.
Alright, thank you, Mike. Can I invite you to please stand para lang may official photo op tayo?